All right, that's what we have here. A quick unboxing of the 9.7 iPad Bluetooth keyboard made by Yoozon. It's supposed to be detachable and a backlit with 7 different colors. So let's get right to it. See what we have here, what it comes in the box. Shrink wrapped here. All right. They could have made it a little bit easier to open. There we go. Alright, a little instruction manual. Put that aside. And here it is. Let's see. Anything else in here? Yes, USB cable. Micro USB. Anything else in there? Nope. Go ahead and put that aside. Alright. Some nice rubber texture here. At the slip pads when you lay it on the table here. It's pretty sturdy. Kind of reminds me of almost like an Autobox type style. Let's see. Right off the back, it lit up a little bit there, so it looks like it's already pre-charged from factory. All right, we have here, so it opens up like a little laptop there. So let's go ahead. What I'm gonna do is attach it here, and then we'll test it out. All right, so we have the iPad attached to the cover there. Went ahead and turned it on. So it looks like by default you have the white LEDs on there. So it's pretty simple how to set up here. All you would do is you press the function key and the Bluetooth at the same time. Little blue light starts blinking right about here. Then you go on the iPad and you go through the Bluetooth section to pair it. It pairs up fairly quickly. And once you have that, you're all set. So here you have different colors. You have 7 different colors you can choose from to change the backlit here. I was just kind of wondering here because one of the pictures on the site shows, you see how it's multicolor there? That's not an option. So don't assume that you're gonna have that ability to have the different colors as an option. That's basically just giving you an overview of what the actual colors would look like on the key. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how that's done. So here you wanted to change the color, or we can do the brightness first, which will be the same button, function key. It's got the little light bulb here, so you press them, it gets brighter. See, that's off there, light, a little brighter, a little brighter. Then if you want to change the color, you do the same things. You hold those 2 buttons down, so the function key and that, and then the arrow, you can change the color. That's yellow, purple, that baby blue, green, a darker blue, red, and white. I actually like red. I'll leave it there. So that's pretty cool. So as you can see, it's nice and sturdy. The keys are pretty good. It feels like an actual laptop type keyboard. So I like the colors on here. So we're gonna test a little. Go to one of the writing apps here. So it's a Notepad. Take away that ad there, and we can test that out. So as you can see, it's pretty good. Backspace. It's just like any other keyboard. So we know the functionality of typing works pretty well, very responsive. So as you can see, that one of the other cool things about it is so it's multi-purpose. So you can keep it as a functional laptop almost. You know, you can close it. It's magnetic, so it'll magnetically seal, so it won't stay open. As you see. You know, so there are some that don't latch like that, so they'll stay open. So that's one of the cool things about it. It's pretty sturdy. Looks like it can handle a drop. Obviously, I won't take a chance on something like that. So it's just peace of mind knowing that it's gonna protect it. The camera's a little exposed, I would think. I don't know if it would be good to have some type of cover here, but the only reason I could say something like that is because, you know, the wider the opening is, there's a bigger chance of it probably getting scratched by something. You know, like if you mistakenly put it in a bag or something like that and something leans on it. But other than that, you know, the chances of that happening are very slim. So, let's see. I actually like the cutout for the buttons versus having an actual button pushing a button like other plastics do. That makes it difficult. So, at least you have access to the natural buttons that come with the iPad. So the other cool thing about this is, if you don't want to use the keyboard, you can still maintain protection as a cover because it's detachable. So you see the detach once you open it, it wakes up automatically, right? So say you want to take it with you, all you have to do is just pull it from the base. And it detaches just like that. So you come back and you want to attach it very quickly. You will feel a response for the magnet, and just like that, it's back on. So as you can see, if you're in the market of looking for a detachable type of keyboard for your productivity, this might be it. It's pretty good. I like it. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did.